sit-ups or crunches you got, right, so there's 25 you add them all in, and then that would be your okay? How you're doing that is that 400 meter run, okay? If you're kind of concerned about that, it would be a 300 meter run or a 200 meter run. I really wanted to kind of be it's honestly more of a 60-40. You will be running the majority of it, considering that 400 meters a lot longer than 25 right? Yeah, anyone can really do that. All right, so anyway, performance is pretty self-explanatory. As soon as you get off the bar, that is when you stop. Now, if you've lost all your calluses, like me, I know I'm going to be on this photo bar for 10 seconds. So, I'm giving you the option if you want to basically get yourself back into photo bar shape. Do it, but alternate rounds. Okay, so again, I do not recommend that if you're losing one every round, you are literally going to be running the entire time. This workout is basically again, more raises. But basically what you do, start off with total bar, and then the next round, do knee raises. Total bar, knee raise. Total bar, knee raise. Yeah, running. Yeah, just to, honestly, if you start with total bar, you will break it immediately. Okay? Unless you have a bar at home, which is awesome. But either way, it is total number of reps, not how much other than that. When you do that, awesome kind of work day. You keep on working, you're good to go. Alright? Questions, comments, good for me? Come on, run. 14. Have fun. No. I got it. 15. Let's get it done. Unless they get stand by. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, get done. Go!